What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, today I want to talk about this tool that I actually got started with a couple weeks ago. Well, actually, I think it's been a month, maybe almost a month, right at a month. But at any rate, it's a great tool. I want to come back and do a quick review on this one, LeadsLeap. As you can see, I am on the website. This is one of the pages that you will get as well. We all have our own page that's coded to us, as it states right here. Get your free membership. Now you can get started for free. They have a free membership and then they have a pro membership. All right, guys. So the pro membership is only $23 a month. Okay. Now remember, we talked about my money formula. So you need a residual recurring income program in your money formula. Okay. So you want to be able to make instant commissions. Okay, with affiliate marketing. You want to be able to make recurring commissions as well. So this is one of the recurring commission tools. Okay, so this is a system. It's a tool that everybody can use. It's very user friendly, newbie friendly. And let's talk about what it entails really quick. All right, the link is in the description. Go check this out. Traffic to your website. This is a great way to get free advertising for $23 a month. Okay, and this is humans, not bots. Okay, because they have thousands of members here, subscribers. List manager, 10 lists, unlimited subscribers. Okay, so you'll be able to create your list. Okay, you hear that term, create your list, your email list of subscribers, people that's interested in what you're offering. Page builder, 10 pages. The hosting is included. Pop-up creator. Okay, pop-ups that come, you'll see this sometimes on pages where you get ready to close out that page and then something will pop up on there. Okay, that's included here. Link tracker, I'm going to talk about that in a second. And you can also make money with this. Even the free members can make money. 4 ways, some super easy way to make money and more. All right, so go check it out. Link is in the description. They've got over 300 testimonies. Okay, so they can't be wrong. And I'm here to tell you from what I've seen, because I do have another system that I've been using for 3 years. Okay, TCP, that link is in the description as well. I still have that system, okay, because I'm earning residual on it. Instant $25 commissions every time somebody signs up every Friday. Okay, so still have that one. But we're talking about, we've added this one to our arsenal as well. Look at this, 171,000 members, guys. Okay, so this thing is powerful. I'm going to show you some of, just a few, okay, of the features and some results that I'm getting from using this system. They have an FAQ section right here. Seeing is believing. And now this is coded to you. Check it out. See, my picture is here, so it's coded to me. This is my link. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link in the description, but I want to tell you also to use you can use another system that will help, another free system I'm gonna talk about real quick too, to help you implement this one. It'll walk you through how to set this one up. But anyway, so this system, LeadsLeap, been around since 2008. Okay, I had never heard of LeadsLeap, to be honest with you, which is interesting. Okay. So, they've been around since 2008, guys. So I never really heard about them until, what, December, when I got started in Mega Marketing Pro. All right. So anyway, great system. So let's take a look at the back office. Okay, I'm in my dashboard, as you can see right here. And actually, I'm a pro member. I went ahead and paid the $23 because it's well worth it. Okay, just for let me just show you, just for this reason here alone. Let's move this over. Hang on a second. Because I'm a pro member, okay, I'm able to look right here, to the left, it says traffic, advertising, right? Let's click on that. What does it say? This is our premium advertising services for pro members. Pro ads are rotated in the network 24/7. No credit is needed. So I don't have to go over here and click. The free members have to go over here and click on ads to earn credits so that you can post your ad. But since I'm a pro member, I spend $23 a month. I can just post my ads. I can post 10 ads. I've got 9 in there right now. I can post 10 ads and they're going to rotate them. Okay, 24/7 for me. That's free advertising. That alone is well worth the $23, right? Now check it out. I have over 2,900 visits to my links. All right, and over 500 within the past 7 days. Now, I recently posted this in here, a week ago? It says 124. All right, so 6 days? And I've already had 159 visits, okay? So all I did is post a picture here, and then I put an ad here. I mean, the verbiage, all right? And this is free advertising. As they said right here, they're rotating the ads. So the free members are the ones that's over here clicking on the pro members ads so that they can earn credits to post an ad, whereas I don't have to click on ads. Since I'm a pro member, I can just post my ad and they're going to market it for free for me. Okay, so it's in rotation. So that right there is one thing. Then let me show you something else right here. This tracking feature that they have right here, link tracker, so that you can track different links. Okay, let me show you a company. Okay, I just want to show you the comparison of what you have at your fingertips. It's included for this $23. So there's companies, it's just one, that offer link tracking by itself pretty much. Okay, let's look at what they charge for that. You guys ever heard of Click Magic? You may not have, but this company offers that tracking mechanism. Look at this, $37 a month. Okay, up to 10,000 clicks a month is what you can get with that. Real-time stats, KPIs, 1 funnel tracking project, 2 custom tracking domains, 6-month data retention, baseline support. Right? I don't have to worry about any of that. Look what it will cost if you want unlimited clicks. $197 a month. We're getting that for $23. See what I mean? So just for that feature alone, guys. So it's definitely a win for you. Okay? Just want to show you that. Now, back to this. Okay? Just want to show you guys. Look at all the features that they have here. Tracking links, they have a rotator, they have ad bars, which I'm using. Social review, you can actually do a review on a company, okay, and they'll promote that for you, and members will see that. I get emails every week where somebody has done a review, one of our members, and that gives them clicks, okay, visits to their primary business, guys. Then they have the email marketing autoresponder, okay, the email series. You can set up your own list manager here, and we get unlimited subscribers here for this $23. Now they have a couple features I haven't even used yet, like blog to my broadcast, okay, or broadcast to my YouTube folks. Okay, now I'm using the funnel builder, I'm using the email autoresponder, I'm using the I'm hosting my images here. You can host your images for free here. It's a lot of functionalities here that they've got. All your followers, you can send them a message. Okay, they have affiliate links where you can promote this as well. Let's click this. Let me show you right here, and then they give you banners, swipes, how to promote LeadsLeap itself. Okay, and then we can earn. The free members can earn 25% commission when folks actually pay to be a member. Pro members like myself, we earn 50% recurring commissions. Okay, and then we earn overrides and credits. It just opens up a whole a whole commission level when you do that, okay, when you become a paid member. Of course, it's fine to be a free member, but you don't want to leave any money on the table, right? You get way more benefits. So they have all this right here for you as an affiliate to promote. Okay, they have lead magnets. Let me show you one of the lead magnets that they've got. I've been using that as well. Let me show you that one. Look at this lead magnet. Get my simple 1 sign up a day strategy. There is no opt-in required. Okay, I've used that as well. Let me see if I can see my stats on that. Hang on a second. Okay, right here, look, 1 a day. That's what I call it. 1 sign up a day. I received 112 hits on that. Okay, last visited on 121. So I'm getting clicks on that, guys. Lead magnets, they give you, these are free that you can use to promote this system. Look right here, unlimited subscribers, unlimited. Okay, that's unheard of. For $23 a month, you get an autoresponder, capture pages that you can use. They have that in this system as well, unlimited. All right, now let me just show you a few pages I created really quickly here. Let's take a look. Here's a page I created for digital wealth pros, newbies making $200 a day without talking to anyone. So when they go here, right, they opt in, and right here I added a link at the top. Okay, so I'm getting advertising right there. All right, so when they opt in, they go here. Check this out. How I make $200 to $1,500 on Autopilot. Okay, let's move this over. Without talking to a single person, watch the video and click the button to start generate leads and sign up. So when they click here, it goes to the DWP system. Okay, you can get this share code. I can give this to you. Now with yours, I can take, well, what I can do is take this picture off and just make it a make money online picture. And then right here, I say click this button to get your traffic. So I'm getting paid on the traffic, and then I'll get paid when folks sign up with DWP. So when you click here, see where it takes them? This is how I have it set up. It goes to Digital Wealth Pros. All right, guys. So you can market any business opportunity with this system. You can create your lead capture pages. Now, what else is cool about this too? Guess what? You get share codes. So I can share with you my share codes for pages that I've already created. All you have to do is go in there and replicate it. Copy, paste the share code. I'll send it to you, and then you create this page just by copying and pasting, guys. So this is awesome. Let me tell you. Now, when people opt into my page through LeadsLeap, this is the notification I get. Send Steed. See, I get these to say, hey, you got a lead, you got a lead, you got a lead. All right, guys, so this definitely works, and they get these. They don't go to spam, okay? People, when they opt in, they get your emails. They don't go to spam. One more thing I want to bring up. This traffic, you're able to become an affiliate, guys, so you're going to get paid commissions on that, too. I'm going to show you how to do all this where you're going to put your link for the traffic, and when folks click that link and they sign up, you get commissions for the traffic as well. People buy that service. So let me show you my progress on that as well. Okay, and I want to show you guys how I'm doing this stuff. I would love to show you how I do it. So check it out. Here is some commissions I've made, okay, from referring folks. Look right here, a 200 click ad, $11.63. Someone purchased a 500 click ad package, $33.96. A 200 click package, $11.63. A 300 click package, $20.96, and another 200 click package. So that's, and I've already calculated it, that's $89.73 just for selling traffic, referring people. Okay, I don't have to really sell it. I tie it into my funnel, and when people click that button to purchase traffic, when they purchase traffic, I make a commission. Cha-ching, and you can do the same thing. As you see right here, 5722 is pending. I haven't even withdrawn any of this. I just have it sitting here. Okay, so 5722 is pending to be paid, and then I've already made the 3251. Okay, so I can show you how I'm doing this. There's another page I created. Step by step how to make 150 a day. See proof inside, let me in. Okay, and I can share all my share codes with you when you become a pro member. Pro, guys. Okay, because that's where you're going to earn the maximum commission. You're going to make 50% commission when people become a pro member. All right, here's another one. Attention, this is a newbie's dream. Copy my 100 a day secret blueprint. Look at this. Let me know where to send it. I want to make 100 a day. Okay, and then as I said, you can store your images in here. Let me show you that real quick. Okay, so what you want to do is you come down to right here, hosting service, image manager. You can put your images in here. See all the images, some of the images that I'm using to make these pages. You just put them right in here, guys. Okay, awesome system. Awesome. So not only am I collecting leads, building my list with this system, I'm earning commissions from the primary business that I'm promoting, and then I'm also earning commissions through the traffic that I'm referring to my team to use. Okay, guys, so if you're ready to get started with me in LeadsLeap or any of my business opportunities, the link is in the description. Go check it out. You can go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, and then you'll also see the links for LeadsLeap. Okay, but I recommend going here using Mega Marketing Pro. Okay, I would use this free system right here to get into LeadsLeap, because it's going to lead you right into it. All right, I'll put that link in the description. This is a free system where you can promote up to 10 business opportunities. This will lead you right into LeadsLeap, but this system here has the video tutorial that's going to walk you through how to set it all up. All right, guys, if you have any questions, give me a jingle. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.